Hello everyone, ke Coach Tangi. Today ke tlo share ka the rebuild strength. It has 24 grams of protein in it, and there is one of the amino acid it's highly added in there, which is L-glutamine. And L-glutamine ke yone e tlo thusa the immune system because the time to exercise, some of your cells di damage, so you need the immune system to protect the cells how. Then it thusa hape le the digestion. It also gonna help you the glucose be normal because you know the body is a glucose the source of energy to help you exercise, and it also help the normal functioning of your brain because you need to be control and to protect you during the exercising period, and it also help protein body how we get it now we build up the muscles and the bones because it's not so a whole. And we also have this amino acid called BCCAs. These are very, very important because it's to build your muscles, will be strong, and when that difference of the growth of your muscles also lead to reduce the tiredness because after exercising you will have that tiredness where you can sleep. So BCAAs lead to already focus tiredness and fatigue. And also the pain after exercising is gonna reduce those pains. So guys, you can enjoy this and you're gonna increase your muscle mass. Bye.